How to add or remove headphone accommodations in Control Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top corner to open up the Control Center. Then in here, tap on the Add button. Next, we go down to the bottom and tap on Add a control. Next, in the control list, we scroll down. And in here, we go to the hearing accessibility, and then we tap on headphone accommodation icon. This will get added to the control center. Now, if you are already in the control center and you want to remove the widget, you can tap on the remove button to remove it from your control center. Now, when you add it, it will add a small icon to your control center, so you can drag on this handle to make the shortcut larger or smaller. And that's it. Once it is added, you can tap on it in the control center to turn on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now in the control center, when you tap on it and you see it said off, that means you need to activate it or you need to turn on headphone accommodations in settings. So you want to go into settings on your screen, and in settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then we scroll down and tap on audio and visual, and then go to headphone accommodations, and at the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. Now the headphone accommodations is a feature designed to improve audio quality and listening experience for people with hearing impairments. It's typically found in the accessibility settings in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.